one of the one of the best ways to get, and easiest ways to get to the campus or to the classroom is to take Banks Road. The school is located on Coconut Creek Parkway and Banks Road. If you take the Banks Road entrance, which is, you'll see some portables and stuff. Here you'll see the sign, Atlantic Tech. Take the, you turn in, and as you're turning in, the classroom is going to be towards your right. And once you see this building, which says building 15, you can park anywhere here. The classroom is building 14, down this corridor. I'll go down here. That's for student parking. This area down here is for staff parking. But if you park there and you just walk right up, you will be at building 14. Building 14, which is the carpentry classroom.